made? That's from Aunt Amy.
Oh.
And Uncle Dave and Andrew, Zach, and Alex. Your cousins? For your birthday. What do you say?
Thank you.
Good job. Can you show me? What did you get? Ariel. Now you have 2 Ariels. Okay, show me. Oh. Show me, show me. I want to see. She's so pretty.